Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
In this one, we have a very nice and useful exercise for the giro. All right, here we are. The main point for this exercise is the use of our shoulder blades, yes? So let us show you very quick what we are doing. 1 and 2 and 3. And 1 and 2 and 3. What are we doing here? Leaders, we are using the shoulder blades in order to send her leg, plus lowering the position. Look, lower, pull from the shoulder blade, and sending her around with this association. So lower, pull from the shoulder blade. The important thing to avoid is the usage of pushing, yes? So we should not push into the giro because she will not be able to use her own technique, the technique that she learned by herself. So we need to give her time to present her leg, yes? Tack, tack. And now if we continue pulling, she will go 1 and 2 and 3. And all your intention, leaders, your chest, your face, should go in the direction that you want her to go. If I do only arm, this is not good. She doesn't feel it. She will fall towards me and then we'll blame her. So keep the circle, the same radius around you at all time. One more time. Pulling, 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 and feet together. Yes? So use this exercise the more you can so you can engage your shoulder blade. We have a ton more exercises on our website, miriamleonardotango.com, in the longer format, and it's called Online Tango Training. You can subscribe and get your free trial there.